Together, we share.
We exchange.
And we move forward.
Together, we manufacture.
We master.
We adjust.
We adapt our skills and deploy our expertise.
Together, we pilot. We check and qualify.
We improve. We innovate. We agree. And we raise our requirements. Together we give and receive.
Together, we collaborate and program. We communicate.
We organize and honor our commitments.
We connect to the world, proud of our contribution. We imagine and explore.
Together we prepare the world of tomorrow. We assemble. We protect. We transmit and learn.
Together, we live.
We rise.
We discover.
Together, we breathe.
We reunite. Together, we commit.